I'm here inside the Reno&Decor Design Intervention booth that I designed for this year's National Home Show in Canada Blooms. It is naturally nautical, inspired by lakeside living. We have some fantastic sponsors that have helped us pull together this casual cottage where you can come to get free consultations from many very fantastic designers. The design of the booth came together with the help of a lot of really great sponsors. Upcountry had this fantastic furniture I got to pick from, and then from there I was able to come up with some more creative, unique ideas. We did a beautiful wall mural to create that summer's night, and that was Ruth Baker Design. They do beautiful murals, and it really achieves that rich navy of the summer night sky. The bedroom is a lovely design. It's a gingham, sort of buffalo check that I have been dreaming about doing on a wall for a long time. So this was the perfect opportunity. Peacock Living came in and created the pattern for me. It looks like wallpaper, but it's all been painted. All of the paint was provided by Benjamin Moore. Other accessories and elements that were brought to the booth are those beautiful paddles by Norquay & Co. They're hand painted in beautiful colors. They add a real nice pop. The pillows also add a great pop of color. Those were provided by Cottage Cloth. I had this dream of having kind of a lakeside boathouse living with a bar where you can sit and have cocktails. And so I talked to my friends at Pure Kitchens, and they, in record time, pulled together my design for a custom bar with a beautiful granite countertop. It's a leathered black granite. It is gorgeous, and that was supplied by Select Granite. So this is the booth. Please come visit us. It's at the Enercare Center. The National Home Show with Canada Blooms goes on until March the 18th. I will be here giving consultations with other fantastic designers, and you get to see it for yourself.